Look at him, he's a little showboat.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'm going to use my voice for a while. The system is slow, so later on it will dim. That will start with it. Before we start, it's good to know. Now we are sitting right here. Later on, sometimes the guests are going to walk around. Please, for the safety, until we finish, do not lean or put your hand or your foot through the fences. Why? Sea lion will jump. It's not that sea lion is going to do something. It's not that someone are allowed to touch sea lion. So no interfering. That's very important. And also know that and anticipate that you might get wet.